How to make villagers follow you in Minecraft. So first we will need the boat, a lead, and of course our villagers. So I'm just gonna spawn the villagers right here and just get the boat right there. I'm just gonna wait for them to basically go to the boat. We just simply push that close to them so that they'll eventually go past the boat just like so. So I'm just gonna wait for them to go to the boat right here. I now have the villagers on the boat, and what you want to do now, oops, he got out, but basically what you want to do now, just simply get your lead and right click on the boat just like that, and get the other boats right here also. As you can see, I now have 3 of them right here, so I'm just going to try to basically pull them to any place that I want. So let's say I want to place them right here. So let's say I want to place them right here on this part. Or if you want to change the biome or something, let's say I want to put them on a cave or to my house, this is how you can basically transport them faster and way more efficient, as you can see. And that's how you basically make villagers follow you in Minecraft.